Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will talk about how to find your main agent in Valorant. Finding your main agent in Valorant can greatly enhance your gameplay experience and overall performance. Before jumping into any agent selection, it's essential to understand your preferred playstyle. Do you enjoy aggressive pushes, defensive setups, supportive roles, or tactical gameplay? Knowing this will help narrow down your options. Spend time trying out different agents in various matches to get a feel of their abilities and how they align with your playstyle. Each agent offers unique abilities suited for different situations. Take note of your strengths and weaknesses as a player. Are you good at holding angles, entry fragging, providing utility, or clutching rounds? Identifying these traits can help you find an agent that complements your strengths and covers your weaknesses. In Valorant, team composition is crucial for success. Consider what your team needs and how your chosen agent can contribute to the overall strategy. For example, if your team lacks initiation, consider playing an agent with strong entry ability like Phoenix or Breach. Assess the abilities of each agent and how they fit into your playstyle. Do you prefer agents with supportive abilities like healing and vision control, or do you excel with aggressive agents that can disrupt enemy lines and secure kills? After playing several matches with different agents, review your performance and gather feedback from teammates and opponents. Take note of which agent you feel the most comfortable and effective with, as well as any areas for improvement. Once you've identified your main agent, focus on refining your skills with that particular agent. Practice using their abilities effectively, mastering their mechanics, and learning advanced strategies to maximize your impact on the game. Keeping these points in mind, hope you can find your main agent in Valorant. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.